All right, Alex. So we're 1 year out on this shoulder. Tell me a little bit about your shoulder, how it was before the operation and what it's like today.
Well, when I first come to you, I couldn't even raise my arm much higher than my waist, and it hurt so bad that it just hung.
Yeah.
And I couldn't hardly pick it up at all. I couldn't lift any weight at all with it. And now, I mean, I'm back to farming, doing anything I want to do with it. I have no problem. It's been great. A little bit of pain, the first few days, which is normal. And I stuck with the exercises. To me, that's the number one thing is, do the exercises, the stretches, and continue to do them until, you feel back to normal again. And I mean, I'd say I'm not about between 95 and 98% back to what I was even in my younger years as far as my shoulder working like it ought to.
So lift both arms up for me as high as you can. Wow, tough to even tell which one we did. Well, that's fantastic. Thank you very much, Alex. You've been a pleasure.
Okay.